Okay, so let's start auto tagging people that come in via a landing page when doing an open house and using a QR code. So how we can do this is we're going to create a rule. And how you create that rule is you're on your command, like your agent only command, not a team command, but your agent only command, and you're going to hit settings or the little drop down. Then you're going to select settings. You are going to come over. Remember which one it is. I think it is contact settings. Yep. And then lead management. So command settings, contacts, lead management. And then here you can do what's called creating a rule. So if we create a rule and we say open house landing page, okay, which lead source do you want to use this rule for? You're going to select your KW landing page. Okay, you can select more than one. And then you're going to go ahead and you're going to assign it the tag. Now, I don't recommend, I'm just going to select this one for now. I don't recommend going ahead and assigning it to a smart plan here. You can, if you so wish, it's totally up to you. If you wanted to assign the smart plan via the tag, you can do that. Totally up to you. Either way, you create this rule. So here we go. We create the rule. Now it's on and it's ready to go. So anything that's coming in via a KW landing page is going to be marked as Open House 2020. Now, the deal with this is you want to create this rule right before your open house and then turn it off once your open house is over. Because if you have others out there, they're going to get this automatic tag and add it to that smart plan. So if you need to edit it, you can. Once you're done with it, you can just simply delete it and it goes away. So that is how you can automatically tag people coming in your open house using that QR code that we talked about, because that is just a landing page. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope this helps.